How to connect 8bitdo to PC. First, connect your Xbox controller and turn it on. Next thing you want to do is take your charging dock, open it, and you can find an adapter in here. Take it and plug it directly into PC. Now flip your controller and here you can see a switch for connecting mode. Turn it to PC 2.4G. Only officially Xbox licensed 8bitdo controllers can connect directly to Xbox Series X, Series S, or Xbox One consoles. This is due to Microsoft's strict licensing requirements for third-party controllers. Microsoft's licensing restrictions mean that third-party controllers like 8bitdo can only connect via USB cable, not wirelessly. To connect your licensed 8bitdo controller, simply locate a USB port on your Xbox console and plug in the controller's USB cable. Thanks for watching.